This week in 60 Second Scholar, we spark new connections on Brain Week Special Edition.
Welcome to 60 Second Scholar, where your brain gets smarter in under a minute. Today's topic, 6 surprising facts about your brain's power that'll make you question reality. Number 1, you generate enough electricity to power a light bulb. That's right, your brain runs on about 20 watts, enough to keep a small light going. You're literally glowing with potential. Number 2, it can store 2.5 petabytes of data. That's like fitting every episode of every show you've ever binged, plus room for memes. Number 3, it rewires itself constantly. Every time you learn something, your brain lays new neural pathways, like upgrading your internal software on the fly. Number 4, it predicts the future. Catching a ball, dodging a flying fry. That's your brain calculating trajectories before your eyes even register it. Number 5, you use it all, but not all at once. The 10% myth is fake news. Your brain's just super selective about what parts fire when, like a genius in stealth mode. Number 6, dreams equal brain problem solving. Sometimes your brain works out tough stuff while you sleep. So go ahead, nap on it. Your brain is wired.
Welcome back to 60 Second Scholar. Here's a brain buster. Does a bigger brain mean you're smarter? Drop your guess. Fact or myth? Some say more brain, more brains. Like Einstein had a big brain, right? But let's dig deeper. It's a myth. Size kinda matters, but not really. Whales have massive brains, and they're not solving calculus. What really counts? Brain-to-body ratio, and more importantly, neuronal density and connectivity. A small but efficient brain beats a giant slow one any day. Octopuses have brains in their arms. Birds with tiny brains solve puzzles better than some mammals. It's not the size, it's how you use it. So, what's your final verdict? Brain size equals intelligence. Fact or myth?
Welcome to 60 Second Scholar, where your neurons get the wow treatment. Today's weird fact, your brain can't feel pain. Yep, the thing that processes pain signals can't actually feel any itself. You could poke it, slice it, even do surgery. No ouch. Turns out the brain has 0 pain receptors. It's like the drama director in your body, telling everyone else what hurts, while being completely numb itself. That's why brain surgery can be done while you're awake. Patients literally chat with doctors while their skulls are open. So, like, hey, how's the weather while I'm mid-brain tweak? But here's the kicker, the coverings around the brain do feel pain. So headaches, migraines, not the brain itself, just its neighbors throwing a tantrum. So next time your head's pounding, blame the brain's entourage. Mind blown? Smash
to 60 Second Scholar. Let's play How Brainy Are You About the Brain? 6 quick questions. Keep score and don't cheat. Question 1. How much of your brain do you actually use? 10%, 50%, or all of it? Answer is all of it. That 10% myth is total nonsense. Question 2. True or false? Your brain feels pain. Answer is false. It has 0 pain receptors. Wild, right? Question 3. What's faster, your brain or the speed of light? Answer is light's still faster, but brain signals hit 268 miles per hour. Question 4. Which side of the brain controls the left hand? Left or right? Answer is the right side. Your brain's got a crisscross wiring setup. Question 5. Can your brain grow new cells after childhood? Answer is yes. Neurogenesis is real, even in adults. Question 6. Which animal has the largest brain-to-body ratio? A. Elephant. B. Human. C. Ant. Answer is A. C. Ant. Tiny body, but shockingly efficient brain. All right, Brainiac, how'd you score? Drop your number in the comments. Like and follow 60 Second Scholar for more quick-fire knowledge bombs.